Cool. So let's go ahead with what you guys asked. Why no Facebook integration currently? Most of my friends publicize their events on FB. Well, we spoke yesterday about Twitter. Is it kind of the same thing?
Yeah, I guess it's a time issue because we need to get something released by I don't know. Well, until the event is over.
I mean, I think.
What does Facebook integration mean?
Well,
Like,
maybe publishing your
publish your
status,
events to
publish
Facebook.
the events to Facebook, so all your Facebook friends can see it. But I mean, right
So
now,
yesterday you were saying that your interest right now is getting people to use the application and not other social media.
exactly. I mean,
Yeah. I mean, I think something like Facebook integration is probably something that could be added on.
Okay, what else? What does the downstairs look like? Can we see? You cannot see live because the camera doesn't reach. And we actually recorded some interviews there. You will see them one day for sure. And anyway, we are at the Big Rock headquarters. Big Rock is a kind of like academy of like 3D design in Venice. So if you go downstairs, there is this nice dining room, and then like more like offices where like students are working in front of their Macs. And yeah, that's it basically. And we are in a farm in the middle of the countryside. You probably saw the interview that I did with Jim. So that's the kind of environment we are in. Let's go ahead with the tweet feeds. I cannot believe you guys have been at this all week and no one has killed anybody yet, but there is still time. Well, let's see. I don't think they're gonna kill each other, but yeah, who knows?
You know, I don't. Everybody's been. I mean, honestly, the people when I first came, I worried most about Max and I, whether we would butt heads a lot.
Yeah.
Because I mean, the
designers have ego problems.
and also most people, you know, sometimes, you know, I mean, not all the time, and not to say it's always like this, but you know, when they're building a system, like problems are more logical, where our problems are subjective.
Yeah.
You know, and sometimes you just think that it should be. You know.
Yeah.
So,
It's more a
I mean,
matter of personal taste, I guess.
Yep,
but
definitely.
we've been doing fine.
Yeah. Do you get along okay?
Yeah. I think both. You know, we share a lot of the same inspirations.
And I asked a lot the developers whether they were working in groups or not. What about designers? Are there like big web designers farms, like where like you brainstorm together, or it's like a?
I don't know.
I guess. Well, I mean, at the Icon Factory, they have quite a few designers, but I don't know how they work. I can imagine that each of them has a different project they're working on.
Yeah.
I think, like for designers, and I don't have much experience working in large companies, but I think we get inspiration from each other and we get each other's opinions. You know what I mean? But I think I know that I work alone, and Max, and you know, but we have people that we know that we value their opinion, whether they're designers or not, and you know, we get a lot of feedback.
Cool. And so yeah, I would leave the guys to their work. Yeah, like defining the icon. And just one last thing, I saw the Common Guru people just posted a tweet where they asked for a help to finding the motto of Wikimedia. So like the first two ones that like the users proposed were Wikimedia me here, which is very difficult to pronounce. I'm not sure. As a copywriter, I'm not sure it would work. And Moho for your meeting, the second one. And so like keep posting your suggestions for the motto. And I guess tomorrow we will choose the best one.